What's going on, Reshoevenation? Johnny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be cleaning these Golf Le Floors by Tyler the Creator. As you can see, we went ahead and got these super trashed. Shout out to Hayden for donating his shoe. He had these on feet and they were looking really crispy. And we said, you know what? Let us have those. Let's get them all trashed up and let's clean them up for a cleaning video. So I'm not sure how this suede is going to clean up, guys. I don't know if this purple or green is going to fade, but I'm still going to go ahead and use our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available at reshoevenator.com. So let's get started. Oh, what's up, Billy? What's up, Billy? All right, guys, for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean the right shoe. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the left one to the side. The first step I'm gonna do is grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. This is a size 9. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that up to about the center hole or the 5th hole here. Insert it into the shoe. You don't wanna press down all the way, guys. You don't wanna leave your shoe tree up like that. You wanna make sure you press it all the way down to where it clicks into place. It should be all the way to the back. And what that's gonna go ahead and do is allow you to apply more pressure to the toe box, and it's gonna go ahead and reshape it as well. So go ahead and check that out. All right, put that down. Now the next step, guys, is to remove the laces. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, the next step is to grab our bottle of solution here. You wanna go ahead and just pour a few small squirts into a bowl of water, just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and begin cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. All right, guys, as I stated before, I'm not sure how this suede is gonna react to the water into the solution. Most of the time, dyed suede does tend to bleed, but what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the entire shoe, see if there's any bleeding. I do see a little bit of green already starting to come off on the suede brush here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on going and let's see what happens. All right, guys, go ahead and check that out. That's after just one quick clean on the uppers using the soft bristle brush. As you can see, it didn't fade as much as I thought it would. I mean, there was a little bleeding from the green, but nothing too bad. It didn't, like I said, it didn't fade it too bad. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna move on to the midsoles and the outsoles using that stiff bristle brush. And then I'm probably still gonna go ahead and put these in the wash just because that insole was looking super disgusting. But yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the midsoles and the outsoles. Midsole cleaned up pretty good. Check that out real quick. Now, moving on to the outsoles. Not too bad. Cool. Look over it one more time to make sure there's not any deep stains. That looks good. I'm going to move that shoe over to the side. The next step, guys, is to grab the laces. All you have to do to clean these is just dip it in that same bowl of solution and water mix. Just go ahead and get them real wet. Ready for this one, Lee? Halfway. All right, guys, now that the laces are done, I went ahead and overlooked the shoe and it actually looks really clean just with the pre-treatment. I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the wash because I don't wanna risk it bleeding any more than it already has. Like I said, it didn't bleed too much, but I'm afraid that if I do put it in the wash, it might bleed even more. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is remove the shoe tree instead. And since it is mostly leather on the inside, besides the insole, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it with an all-purpose brush, get that really clean, rinse it out, and then we'll go ahead and let it dry and see what we get afterwards. So let's do that. Put that to the side. Get our all-purpose brush here. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the inside of the shoe. Go ahead and check that out. Give you guys a 360 spin. Now I know I said in the beginning that I was gonna go ahead and use our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system, but after looking at how clean these came with just using the pre-treatment with the 3 brushes and the solution, and obviously the shoe tree, they are looking pretty good. So I don't want to risk them bleeding. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just put them outside to dry, see how they look. We may have to reset the nap a little bit if it gets a little crunchy. So let's go ahead and put these out to dry, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Let's go. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let these dry for a few hours. And as you can see, they cleaned up really good. Although the suede is a little crunchy. Go ahead and hear that from my ASMRs listeners. It's a little crunchy. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is use my assistant Bentley here, and he's gonna help me reset the nap with our brass bristle brush. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do with this is hit it in multiple directions gently. I don't wanna apply too much pressure. And what that's gonna do is reset the nap. And then I'm gonna take this Mink oil, we're gonna go outside, spray it down, and that's gonna go ahead and help bring back some of the color and the texture as well. So let's go ahead and do that now. Move this one to the side. I'm gonna start with this toe box right here. I wanna just show you how you can't really see the suede move back and forth. So I'm gonna hit it up. All right, guys, I am done hitting up the entire shoe with the brass bristle brush. Go ahead and check it out. So you can see the suede is moving back and forth. You can see the color difference. Now the next step to do is hit it up with the Mink oil. So let's go ahead and go outside. It is about to rain, so we gotta do this quick. Let's go. All right, real quick, I do want to tell you guys always ask, why your shoes are always dirty with dirt and stuff like that. I did say it was about to rain. You see it all sunny over here. Look at the storm coming. I can hear the thunder. So we're gonna make sure we make this quick. Go ahead and hit it up, Mink oil. Take your soft brush, dry. Go ahead and brush it in. All right, guys, let's go inside before we get hit by that rain. Let's go. All right, guys, we are back inside and we are done hitting them up with the Mink oil. Go ahead and check them out. They came out super crispy. Let me go ahead and show you a side-by-side comparison. As you can see, they cleaned up super nice. If you don't remember, I did say I was gonna use the advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system, but instead I went ahead and just did the quick treatment with the 3 brushes and the solution. No laundry system needed. One more time, guys. One more time with the 360 spin. So guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Make sure you check out reshoevn8r.com to find all these great products. The Mink oil, the almighty Mink oil that we use to go ahead and bring the color back. The brass bristle brush that we went ahead and reset the nap. Guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what shoe would you like us to clean next? I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll catch you in the next one.